Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve Forcestop, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you click. Here in this page of app info you click on Forcestop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. If it's not working with you, you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.